Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a rectangle. The length of this rectangle is 9 unit and the width of this rectangle is 8 unit. And there is a circle inside this rectangle touches three sides of this rectangle, and in rest of the space there is a small circle touching two sides of this rectangle and it touches in this big circle. We have to find the distance between the center of these two circles. As the width of this rectangle is 8 unit and this distance indicate the diameter of this big circle. So the diameter of this circle is 8 unit. So the radius of this big circle will be 8 divided by 2, 4 unit. Now draw a perpendicular line from the center of this circle to this line. Consider this is the perpendicular line. As the radius of this circle is 4 unit, so this line, this will be 4 unit. Now draw a perpendicular line from the center of this second circle to this line. Consider this is the line. This line is perpendicular line from the center of second circle to this line. And draw a perpendicular line from the center to this line. Now suppose the radius of this circle is x unit. So this will be x unit. And the center of this circle is A. The center of this second circle is point B, and this point consider as C. Now this total line indicate the radius of this circle 4 unit and this line is x unit. So this line, this will be x. So rest of the segment AC, this will be 4 minus x, because this total length is 4 unit, this 4 and minus this x, this will be the length of AC. And the radius of this big circle is 4 unit and this line is same as this line. So this will be 4 unit from this point to this point. This is 4 unit. And as the radius of this second circle is x unit, so this length will be x unit. For this region, this will be x unit. As this is 4 and this is x and total length is 9, so the distance this CB or BC is same as this distance. So this BC length will be this 9 unit minus this 4 minus this x. So this is 9 minus 4 is 5 minus x. The length of this BC will be 5 minus x and the length AC, this is 4 minus x unit. And the distance between AB, this will be the radius of this circle is 4 unit and the radius of this circle is x unit. So the total length of AB will be 4 plus x unit. So 4 plus x unit. As this angle is 90 degree because this line is perpendicular to this line. So ABC, this is a right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we will get this AC square plus CB square is equal to AB square. So AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. From Pythagoras theorem, we can write this. Now, substituting the value of AB, BC and AC, we can write we have BC is equal to 5 minus x, AC is equal to 4 minus x, and AB is equal to 4 plus x. So AC, this is 4 minus x. 4 minus x and whole square plus BC square, this is 5 minus x. So 5 minus x and whole square is equal to AB square. This is 4 plus x. 4 plus x and whole square. Or simplifying this 4 minus x whole square, applying formula a square minus twice ab plus b square, we can write this 4 square minus 2 times this 4 times this x plus this x square. This is this part, and plus similarly applying formula a minus b whole square, we can write 5 square minus 2 times 5 times x plus x square is equal to this right side. This will be 4 square plus 2 times 4 times x plus x square. Or this 4 square is 16 minus 2 times 4, this is 8, so minus 8x plus x square plus this 5 square is 25 minus 2 times 5, 10x plus this x square is equal to right side. This will be 4 square is 16 plus 2 times 4 is 8, and this x plus this x square. Now taking this right side to left, we will get this 16 minus this 8x plus this x square plus this 25 minus this 10x plus this x square, and this term will be negative this 16 minus this will be negative 8x minus this x square is equal to 0. Or this negative x square and this positive x square will cancel, and this negative 16 and this positive 16 will cancel, and it will remain this x square and this negative 8x, negative 10x and negative 8x. 8 plus 8 is 16 minus 10. This is negative 26x and this 25. So plus 25 is equal to 0. Or x square and break this negative 26 as 25 is equal to 25 times 1, and 25 plus 1 is 26. So we can break this term as negative 25x minus x. The value of negative 25x minus x is negative 26 plus this 25 is equal to 0. or taking common x from these two terms, we can write x times, here it will be x minus and remain 25. And taking common -1, we will get -1 times it will be x minus, here it will be 25 is equal to 0. And if we take common this x minus 25, it will be x minus 25 times this remaining x minus this 1 is equal to 0. So we'll get this x minus 25 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So when x minus 25 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to, taking this 25 to right side, we will get 25. And when x minus 1 is equal to 0 and taking this 1 to right side, we will get the value of x. And then x is equal to, it will be 1. So the value of x is equal to 25 or 1. But the radius of this circle cannot be 25 unit because the width of this rectangle is 8 unit. So this value of x is not accepted, and the value of x is equal to 1 unit. So the radius of this circle x is equal to 1 unit. So the distance of AB, this AB is the distance of the center of these two circles, which is this 4 plus x. 4 plus x unit. As x is equal to 1 unit, so this will be 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 unit. So the distance between this center of these two circles is 5 unit, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.